signers, did you know we started an online program? It's called Learn How to Sign Accelerated. Well, we have been creating new content for our members and wanted to give you a sneak peek of one of our courses we've been working on. Check the link in the description so you can get all of the information on how to join Accelerated. So, let's learn how to sign numbers. This section is all about dates. So here's the breakdown of how dates are signed. First, let's focus on the month, which I realize is letters and not numbers. So think of it as a bonus lesson. For months with 5 letters or less, they are fingerspelled in its entirety. But with months that have more than 5 letters, they are abbreviated. So this is what it looks like. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, let's talk dates. Do you remember when we talked about before, for numbers 1 through 9, you have the twist for a first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth? Well, those can be used within signing a specific date. But I should let it be known that I have seen them just signed with first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. And notice I didn't add the st or the th sounds whenever I did that. Then for numbers above that, you are just signing the number 11, 12, 13, and so on for the days of the month. Now let's talk years. For years having to start with the teen amounts, you are typically going to see them signed with either the 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, or a shake. From there, you follow it up with the number, say 1645. 1645. What about numbers in the 2000s? Well, for 2000 through 2009, you are going to sign it with a 2, 0, 0, and then pull to the next number. 1, 2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 3, 2, 0, 0, 4, 2, 0, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then from numbers 2010 and on, you are going to sign 20 and then the number. So let's put it all together. What would January 15th, 1995 look like? It would look like this. Let's look at one more. What about May 5th, 2009? Or now it's time to move on to your receptive quiz. If you're liking this lesson so far, then you'll love all of our courses that we offer within Accelerated. Learn How to Sign Accelerated is a program that we offer through our website, learnhowtosign.org. It is designed to help you learn ASL faster with the help of the resources offered, including the ability to learn ASL with others. So what's included with Accelerated? ASL courses, quizzes, exercises, and activities, practice signing prompts, weekly live Zoom sessions with me, exclusive member discounts, access to our ASL community via Discord, and we're always adding even more value. Check out the link in the description to learn more about Learn How to Sign Accelerated and sign up today. Now, back to the lesson from our course on numbers and ASL. In this quiz, I'm going to sign you a date. Here we go. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. All right, let's check your answers. Number 1, February 15th, 1945. Number 2, October 30th, 1678. Number 3, March 9th, 2009. Number 4, August 23rd, 1895. Number 5, June 5th, 1990. Awesome! Now move on to your expressive quiz. I'm going to give you a date to sign, and then you'll check your answer. Number 1, July 3rd, 1960. July 3rd, 1960. July 3rd, 1960. July 3rd, 1960. Number 2, January 20th, 1832. January 20th, 1832. January 20th, 1832. January 20th, 1832. Number 3, December 15th, 2002. December 15th, 2002. December 15th, 2002. December 15th, 2002. Number 4, May 19th, 2016. May 19th, 2016. May 19, 2016. May 19, 2016. Number 5, April 7th, 1680. April 7th, 1680. April 7th, 1680. April 7th, 1680. Great job! Now move on to the next section. If you loved this lesson, then you will love Learn How to Sign Accelerated. We can't wait to see you there. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.